Hi, welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Nicholas from the Office Superheroes channel, and today I'm going to show you how to create a filter in Excel. Don't worry, it's easier than you might think. So let's not waste any more time and let's get to it. As an example in this tutorial, we'll use this spreadsheet. The first step we need to do is to choose the cells or area we want to filter. Then, at the top of the tab, we select the data group and click on the filter button. This will give us the filter buttons at the top of each column. Now we can simply start filtering the data we need. Let's demonstrate. Click the filter button for the column in which you want to filter the data. In our example, I'll choose the age column. A list of values in that column will appear. As we can see, by default all options are selected. We deselect all options by clicking Select All. Now we select the values we want to display. If we want to display multiple values, we simply select them. Click OK and only the selected values will be displayed. As we can see now, we have hidden some rows and only the values we have selected remain filtered. Here we can see the row numbers that remain displayed. Let's move on. Now we want to filter out gender in addition to age. Again, we click on the small arrow in the gender cell and select, for example, all males. And we're done. What do you say then? Simple, right? If you're wondering how to remove the filter from the table, watch our next video where we explain this function. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, let us know via comment or like. If you are interested in other videos on how to quickly learn how to work with Excel, in that case, don't forget to subscribe. That's all for me. I'm Nicholas from Office Superheroes, and I hope to see you in the next video.